Hello there. Today we're going to check out Riverside Knowledge Path. This path was constructed around 2020 during the pandemic. So what are we waiting for? Let's go connect with nature. Right off the bat, we've come across the sharing circle. Here we have a well-groomed trail, easy to get around. As you go through the trail, you're going to find these signs. With these signs lead to a corresponding picnic table with a map on it. And then you come over to the picnic table and you can see a code you can scan, and it'll give you a little bit of history of the area. Let's go check out the healing forest. More history of the area. And you come over to that picnic table and we'll look at the map. Once again, scan the code while you're here and listen to some history. And if you need a little break during the trail, lots of places to sit down and take a rest. Be open, be honest, be kind. In summertime, this would be a beautiful garden. You could sit here and just relax, look at the beautiful scenery. And of course, the sound of the wind chimes. We have an outdoor classroom, it looks like. And from the teacher's view, learning about nature. And even more history. Even the birds have somewhere to stay. Breathe, listen, and share. And don't forget, share your learning. Nice sheltered playroom here. Let's try our luck. we have music in nature as well. Great place if you want to tell stories. Even books here to read. Well, we're almost at the exit, which is in this direction here, but when we came around this turn, we could see that there's some new construction going on. So we're going to check out the performance stage on the left side here, and we'll see what's going on. I'll be interested to see what they're going to add here in the future. Now our trail gets a little broken up, so just be careful of where you're walking. What a nice spot to put on a little outdoor concert. So here we are at the end of the Riverside Knowledge Path. Thank you for coming along, and don't forget to subscribe.